It is no exaggeration to say that at the end of 2022, if someone asks me which new flagship phone I am most looking forward to, I will give the answer without hesitation: Vivo X90 series. There is no other reason. Real gold is not afraid of fire. Good products will always be paid for. Reports from a number of data analysis agencies disclose that in the past 2 quarterly cycles, Vivo has become the domestic phone brand with the highest domestic sales in the second and third quarters of 2022. The market performance of the previous generation X80 series was too dazzling, which virtually raised many people's expectations for the X90 series. As a Vivo X80 owner, recently Levi was also fortunate to get the just-released Vivo X90. Since the time of playing is not too long, this time I will mainly talk about the appearance and screen performance of the new product, and a more detailed comprehensive evaluation will be launched as soon as possible. So without further ado, let's make it together. In the past 2 years, the term homogenization has always been mentioned. After technological innovation reaches the bottleneck, convergence seems to have become a common phenomenon. In fact, after manufacturers have exhausted their minds to infinitely advance the front screen of the phone to the ultimate form, the products all have a nearly similar front appearance, extreme borders, and almost complete screens. The breakout under the trend of homogenization of appearance has once again become the competition for beauty of the back panel of the phone. Starting from the Vivo X50 series, Vivo has begun to strengthen the cloud-level backplane appearance on the flagship X series. Especially this year, all series of Vivo products have this common feature. While continuing the family-style appearance, the Vivo X90 has added additional appearance ingenuity, making the overall look and feel of the lens module and the back panel more comfortable. Compared with the previous generation X80, the X90 still maintains the number of rear triple cameras, but the lens module appearance has changed a lot. The 3 cameras are respectively located at the upper left, upper right and lower left of the lens group. The vacant lower right corner is actually the position of the DToF laser focusing module. The 4 circles are surrounded by a larger circle, and the blackened outer circle is like a big smart eye, revealing the solemnity of professional images invisibly. At the Vivo Imaging Strategy press conference this month, Vivo announced that its strategic cooperation with Zeiss will continue to upgrade and comprehensively promote open innovation and self-breakthrough innovation. On the back panel of the Vivo X90 body, the Zeiss small blue logo has moved from the position of the previous generation lens group to the side of the back panel, echoing the lens module. Starting from the Vivo X60 Pro Plus, plain leather back covers have appeared on each generation of the X series, which also makes the plain leather appearance a feature that distinguishes Vivo's flagship models. The Vivo X90 series uses lychee plain leather as the raw material for the back cover. This high-end plain leather is often found on the seats and interiors of high-end cars. At first glance, the leather texture looks natural, but after using it, it has a warm and delicate skin touch, and there is always a feeling that you can't put it down. I have always believed that appearance is what the beholder sees, and the wise see wisdom, and the transmission of appearance concepts is the most important part that affects personal subjective value recognition. The Vivo X90 series refers to the inspiration of Porsche's penetrating tail lights, and reconstructs the appearance of the back panel of the phone. This bright black new choker is named Ribbon Cloud Scale by Vivo. Ribbon photolithography is used on the new choker, and this gorgeous textured waistline is polished through 16 core processes. On the delicate and soft leather is a warm and crystal clear alloy ribbon. This wonderful combination breaks through the shackles of craftsmanship and imagination. There is also a slogan on new choker: Stream Imagination translates as Extreme Imagination, which is exactly what the Vivo X series wants to express. That is, break through imagination and break boundaries. As a curved screen party, when I unpacked the X90 and took out the phone, I was satisfied with just one glance. That's right, the Vivo X90 series is still full of curved screens. It is worth mentioning that the curved screen on the Vivo X90 comes from domestic screen manufacturers. The Vivo team cooperated with the upstream panel company BO to carry out full scene adjustment and full-length color management based on the BO Q9 Super Retina eye protection screen, realizing the real-time adaptation of the screen to the full scene. In addition, according to Vivo's official introduction, the BOE Q9 curved screen used on the X90 has a peak brightness of up to 1300 nits, supports 2160 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, and has passed professional eye protection certifications. It can not only ensure that the screen display is brighter during the day, but also have good eye protection performance in the dark environment at night. The spring of domestic screens is coming. Frankly speaking, whenever a new product of the Vivo X series is released, the point of controversy is not the overall performance of the product, but the appearance. The benevolent sees benevolence and the wise sees wisdom, and the aesthetic needs of the audience are different. I care more about whether it is practical enough than the appearance. The Vivo X90 Pro Plus uses a 1-inch outsole main camera for the first time, and the sensor size has been greatly increased, which means that the internal space of the phone is more compact. In order to maintain the commonality of product appearance, I think this may be the best appearance that the X90, which is positioned as a middle cup, can come up with. As the owner of the Vivo X80, in order to protect my favorite phone, I have personally experienced how difficult it is to choose a suitable and good-looking protective case. And when I got started with the X90 and felt its appearance, a thought suddenly popped into my mind. Finally, I didn't have to worry about the phone case anymore. The above is the hands-on evaluation of the first unboxing of the Vivo X90. More in-depth tests on the measured performance of the Dimensity 9200, the real experience of the self-developed chip V2, the actual test of 120-watt flash charging, etc. will be launched as soon as possible, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching this review. I hope it was useful for you. Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon.